am I?
Hello. Do you want to play a game?
Who are you?
You don't know me, but I know you. As you see, you are chained to my wall. If you don't cut yourself out in 60 seconds, the poisonous gas filling in the room right now will affect you. There is a saw right there. Use it to cut yourself out. Good luck.
Of course, it won't cut. He wants me to cut my leg off.
That's the point. You have made it. Now try to crawl away. The poisonous gases will affect you in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Who will be my next victim?